How to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go over a few steps on how you can upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. To upload high quality snaps, you can start on Snapchat by ensuring your app is up to date. So simply head over to your Play Store or App Store and look in for Snapchat and check if the update is available. You want to make sure you're updated to the latest version. Then you want to clean your camera lens to avoid the blurriness if you are sending the snap, lifetime snap or real-time snap. However, if you are sending it from your camera roll, then you want to make sure that the video that you are sending is already on the high quality, it is not in low quality, and make sure that your internet connection is good so that when you send it, it is sent in a good quality. So internet plays a major role while you are sending any files on any applications, right? So it's the same for Snapchat as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.